So in the state of Telangana, the SIR program is going to start from 24th of this month. That is called as enumeration phase, starting from 24th of June, and the enumeration phase will go on from June 24th to 25th of July. During this enumeration phase, BLOs will be going house to house, and they will distribute the pre-filled enumeration forms. That is, enumeration form will be having partially filled details like voters' name, their epic number, and their photo. And this partially filled enumeration form will be distributed house to house to each elector by the BLO. Then BLO will also help the elector in getting the enumeration form filled. They will also guide them, and then you will visit the houses 3-4 times in this month and collect back the enumeration form, and then bring them together and give it to the and submit it to the ERO concerned. So this enumeration forms filled in enumeration form only will be considered for an elector to begin. If enumeration form filled in enumeration form is not received from the elector, then such names will not figure in the draft roll. It means that such elector will lose their voting right. So enumeration form period is very important. Every elector should take care to get the enumeration form, that enumeration form details filled up, and give it to the BLO so that their name is in during this period starting from 25th of June till 24th of July. They are supposed to go to house to house. They are supposed to visit. They will be visiting 4-5 times. They are supposed to visit each house. Each house, when they visit, they need to, which house they have distributed the enumeration forms, on the particular day they need to come and fill up. They need to digitize the data that I have visited 100 houses today. These are the details, and they need to digitize it. So many forms I have distributed. Then at the end, after forms are filled up, again he has to get it back and he has to digitize. We have received the forms. So many forms with filled up details has been received by me. That also need to be digitized. Apart from that, filled in enumeration form, one enumeration form will be given back to the voter, one will be taken back by the BLO and given to the ER. Mapping is 70.5% of mapping has been done so far. So remaining during this enumeration phase, everybody will be getting, whether you are mapped or unmapped, everybody will be getting their this enumeration form. So they can get themselves, give the details and get themselves included. Forget about 2002. Okay. If the present electoral roll, if their names are there, the present electoral roll of 2026, their name and address, everything is there in this. So, if they are relating to 2002 data, they need to link it to their parents or grandparents. If they know the details, they can link it to them. And for that, ERO, the BLO will also be able to help the elector if they can give the details of the area where their parents were or where their parents the vote was there in 2002. That details if they can give, BLO will definitely be able to help them also. 70.5% already mapped. Already mapped. If you put 30% is remaining. 30%. Yes.
If an voter abroad, some 3%
in such cases, if a person is abroad, the relatives, the enumeration form for that person who is abroad, the enumeration form will be coming to the house. So when it comes to the house, the relatives, close relatives can fill the details and submit it. Yeah, it can be done on behalf of the family can do it. Yes.
Sir, as for the representation of the political parties,
No, in GHMC area, the enumeration form is filled up in English. English only.
What about Urdu?
No, only one language it is filled up.